In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Medieval Dynasty multiplayer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instruction on how to access a co-op or multiplayer mode available through a recent update in Medieval Dynasty. So, like I said, it was introduced in a significant update. Make sure that everyone who is going to be playing has the latest version of the game. Multiplayer is going to be available on PC and consoles. So once everyone has the game up to date running the latest version available, all that you have to do is from the main menu, one of you who is going to be hosting the session will choose new game, choose the appropriate map, and I recommend choosing Oxbow, and then you will be able to choose between solo or co-op. This is the important step. Make sure that you select co-op on this window. Once you select co-op, you will be taken to a lobby where you can wait before starting the game. In there, a session code will be displayed to you, the host. You can copy the session code and send it to your friends who are going to be joining. So once everyone has this session code at hand, you can go ahead and choose the option to start the game. You will be able to go through the standard character creation screen, customize your character, and if you pause the game at any point after you created your character, you will be able to see a list of players who are currently connected alongside you. The friends who are going to be joining will have to choose the join game option, and this immediately gives them the prompt to input the session code. So all they have to do here is input the session code, and once it is successfully input, as long as the host is online in the map that they created for co-op, all of you will be able to join together and start playing. So all that you have to do is use the session code, make sure that the host doesn't leave the save, and you will be able to play co-op in Medieval Dynasty. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Medieval Dynasty multiplayer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.